Hello YouTube, Dylan back here with another how to draw video. In this tutorial, I will be showing you all how to draw Thor's evil brother Loki. So get your favorite pencil and a piece of paper and start off with kind of a circle shape for the top of his head and draw very loose and light at first because we're not going to use all these lines later on. We're going to cover some of them up. And make sure you leave some room because if you remember, he also has those horns on his helmet. And then we're going to draw the side of his face, which is basically like this. We've drawn this shape many times in these videos. Then we're going to draw a sideline. Then we're going to draw his neck. Then we're going to draw another line back here. That's going to be like, some versions of Loki have his black hair sticking back. And then we're going to draw a line here. That's going to indicate where his helmet will start. Another one here as well. Then we're going to draw a line for his eyes, one for his nose, and another one for his mouth. And then we're going to put the center line so we know where the middle of his face is. Let's start drawing his helmet first. We're going to start with this curve here. Then we're going to draw kind of a square shape at the bottom. Then we're going to lighten that line there real quick. So we got that. Now we're going to throw in the side of his helmet. We're just going to focus on his helmet first before we get to his face. You're going to draw the side of his helmet like this. You're going to connect that to his cheek. You're going to get the back of his neck, curve that out. Get his neck here. We should get the bottom of his chin here, darken in his neck like this. Curve here and here as well. Then we are going to draw his hair that sticks out right here. And now we are going to draw his horns. So you can start by drawing these sort of circle shapes. That's where the horns will start. And then you're going to make a U shape that goes like this. And then you can do another U shape with these parallel lines that go like this. That's where the horn will start. And you're going to get the curves here. And do another U shape like this here. Darken the top side of his headband where the horns start. And then we will draw the horns themselves. You're going to start with these lines. Then they're going to curve up here get the top end up here. And then it's going to form a hook on these sides. Then this hook horn here is going to stick out a little further. Then you're going to repeat that hook process on this side with a point here. Then you're going to connect that like this. And then you're going to connect the other side of the horn or helmet top with this curve. And then we can finally go on to the other side of his face. And then we can draw his eyebrows on both sides. And then we need to draw the eyes, which are a little dark. And then we need to draw these half circle shapes that connect to them. And like I always say, draw lightly at first, but when you have the lines you want, you darken them up. And then we can get his nose, which goes like this. The curve here, his nostril, and the back side of the bridge. Then you can draw these cheek lines too. And here's the other nostril. Then we draw his cheek here, his pupils, and then make sure you leave the highlights in there. And then we will draw his mouth. And his lower lip. Which is a shallow W shape.
And there you have it. You have your very own picture of Loki the Trickster. Hope you all had fun. Make sure to like, subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time.